So babarinahin na natin yung area nito.
So good day everyone. Today we'll be featuring two particular brands, namely we have Ronix 8018 cordless grill, and we have Gateman Deadbolt. So i-upgrade natin yung pinto, yung door security with the Deadbolt. So Gateman is made by Yale, or part of Yale, in Korea. And we also have Mitsushi tools, maliliit lang. We also have Preston, mga made in China stuff. So there we have it. So we'll be doing a DIY homework for today, because why not? So stay tuned. So our main power tool is Ronix. So let's open it up. Remove the latches. And that's it. So medyo good as new pa to, since I only used it once. There's the Monroe, the main drill. We have two batteries, power charger niya. And that's about it. Walang libreng mga bits and pieces. So we have supply. So we'll use this one for drilling the steel door. And part of it is merong concrete. So matetest din natin yung kanyang impact drill mode. Tapos may screw mode din siya. Pero I might be using screwdriver na lang to make it easy and simple, kasi ang bakal madaling ma-lost thread. So yan. Anyway, we'll proceed with the installation of the deadbolt. So it comes with manual naman. So ang gandahan sa Gateman, so cheap siya, pero yan, mayroon siyang template, hindi kayo mahirapan. So let's see how this works. I've used mga pucho-pucho lang. Okay naman, pero inaasi-asinta pa. So this way, it should be pretty plain and simple, easy to follow. So let's go.
So babarinahin na natin yung area nito. So this is it. Start slow, then pagka may butas na, babarinahin natin high speed sa taas. So let's do it. So ito na yun guys, nagbutas na tayo ng tagusan. So need not to be perfect, since kailangan naman dyan tumagos ng screw tsaka ng pinaka drive. So ito yung square na butas. Yan. So matatakpan na yun ng plate pag na-mount. So gumamit pala ako ng mini grinder or die grinder ng Mitsushi to cut this using a slim cutting disc. So lalagay tayo ng support na brace dito ng kahoy para ma-flush natin yung pinaka lock set niya dito sa loob. So may dalawang aabangan na screw dito. Tapos tatapalan na lang natin yun ng pati para matago na yung paint afterwards. So ito na guys, butas na siya. Lagyan natin ng pati para meron siyang semi-waterproof surfacing. Kasi to ang gawa ng subdivision namin, steel door na mayroong papel sa loob. So pag nabasa, mabubulok, kakalawang. So this yan na protection. May abang na rin dito for the other plate. So yan naman ang babutasan natin. Grinderin ko ulit yan. So ready na rin dito. Ayan, almost there. Malapit na matapos. We just need to wait for this to set and harden. And pwede natin kabit yung pinaka-assembly ng bolt pack natin or deadbolt. So let's do it. So ngayon po, gagamitin natin yung hammer drill function. So set lang natin sa hammer drill, naka 18 torque para full power gamit tong step bit. So bubutasin natin tong labasan ng bolt. So ito na po guys yung pinakabutas ng bolt. Ayan, nilagyan ko rin ng pati sa loob para hindi maging alikabok. So ganyan lang, pinaka-simple kasi may semento siya sa loob. Hindi ko na nilagay yung pinaka-kit niya to keep the bolt safe. Yung plastic kasi siya na encasement. So ganyan lang siya. So it's finished, Gateman. Salamat. So ganyan na siya. Nilagyan ko na ng konting pati yung mga screws. Ayan. So all good. Nilak. Okay. Pwede na. So importante, secure ng bahay. So special thanks to Ronix. Hindi man sponsored but baka naman. So it did the job for us. And also special thanks to Mitsushi. It's been a couple of months na ginagamit ko siya. Wala pa namang bumibigay na gamit. So yun lang. Salamat po sa panonood. So hopefully may natutunan kayo kahit papano or nakatulong. Salamat po.